Because nobody knows what New Age is. What is New Age? It's like a guy in Los Angeles. I could see it right now. There are a bunch of people in Los Angeles in some small little room, executives from record companies, and they're all scratching their heads going, what do you want to do with this guy named Yanni? You know, he plays classical music, he plays jazz, he plays rock and roll, he plays this, he plays that, he's playing electronic music, he's doing this, he's doing that. What do we categorize him as? And I can see this one little guy in the back going, why don't we call him New Age? And everybody went, that sounds really good. There's one little problem about that. New Age becomes old age very fast.